This is a used 2011 Ford F-250, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include trailer hitch, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, split rear seats, air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Billy Kane Ford Lincoln of Cornelia is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1039 North Main Street, Cornelia, Georgia 30531.